welcome back to another restock video, and as you can see, Christmas.com, December 2nd at 11 a.m. PST. Also, a quick announcement to Marie Sadeh for being my giveaway winner. Please contact me within 48 hours. So this slime is called Rudolph's Hot Chocolate, and it's just a hot chocolate scented, really thick slime that has marshmallow beads and red beads on top, and it'll come with a random Rudolph charm. So this one is called Under the Mistletoe, and it's inspired by Parakeet Slimes and Patsy Squeeze on Instagram. So this one is just a really thick, clear slime, and it has those glitters in it and iridescent flakes. And these glitter thingies might poke you a little bit, so if you're sensitive to being poked when you're squeezing your slime, then this one isn't really for you. But overall, it's a really nice and pretty slime, and the slime isn't supposed to be red, but I just found out the glitter actually dyes the slime, but it looks pretty anyways. This one is Jack Frost, and it's actually a jelly or icy slime, and this one is just scented blue raspberry. Next up we have Kitten Mittens, and it comes with a random mitten or stocking charm, and it looks like this. It has a white, green, and red layer, and when you actually mix it all together, it just becomes a lighter red. So it's still really pretty, and it's really fun to mix up. And of course, it's a cloud slime. It's super drizzly, and this one is actually scented watermelon. We have gingerbread, and it comes with a random gingerbread charm, and this one is actually a butter snow texture, which is the same as my sherbet slimes, and it's scented gingerbread, and this is just a really soft, creamy, and super spreadable slime, and it kind of does look like gingerbread dough. This one comes with a random Christmas related charm, and this one is just called Christmas Per Resin. It's just a white foam with red and green beads in it with rainbow glitters, and it's scented green apples. Next we have Frostbitten Kitten, and the colors are actually a little darker than what you see here, but it's just a purple, blue, and white cloud slime. It has those glitters on top. It'll come with a random snowflake charm, and this one is scented Winter Wonderland, so it's a little citrusy and a bit piney, but I actually really like the scent, and this one is just a really gorgeous and drizzly soft cloud slime. Next up we have Frosty the Snowman, and this one is a really crunchy, slushy sugar bead slime. It has iridescent flakes in it to make it look super gorgeous, and it comes with a random snowman charm, and this one is unscented so that it can stay clear. We have a jelly cube slime, and this one is Holly Berry Jelly, and it's just a cranberry scented jelly cube slime with red, green beads in it and white beads in it. I really like this slime because you can actually break down the jelly cube so that the slime could actually turn into a slushy-like texture, so it's like a 2-in-1 slime. Next we have Santa Claus's Beard, and this one is just a white cloud slime that has those glitters on top, and these little leaves might poke you, so you can just remove them if you want. And this one is just sugar cookie scented because Santa probably eats a lot of sugar cookies, and there's probably a lot of crumbs in his beard, so you'll be able to smell the sugar cookies. And yeah, it does come with a random Santa charm. This one is called Christmas Tree, and it's just a green glossy base that has rainbow beads, green large beads, some more green and red beads, and it just looks like a really nice Christmas tree. It'll come with a Christmas tree charm, and this one is scented cherry limeade. Next up we have candy cane butter, and it's just a red and white swirled butter slime. It smells like candy cane, and it's really fun to mix. It turns into a lighter red, maybe pink in your eyes, but I just think it's a lighter red, and it's just a super soft, creamy butter slime. Next up is a present that you would give a cat. So this one is Festive Fish in a Fishbowl. It's a clear fishbowl slime. It's unscented. It comes with a random Swedish fish charm, and it comes with one red and green pom-pom. Lastly, I'll be having only one slime that is not themed, and this one is just pineapple marshmallow cream. And my marshmallow creams are just my really popular clay slimes. All of my customers love it when they feel it, and this one just smells exactly like Dole Whip.